Hello student, I am S.K. Misra, teacher of Maths in DAV CCL Grade E. Today I am going to start new chapter, construction of quadrilaterals. Student, a quadrilateral has 10 elements. A quadrilateral has 10 elements, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. There are 10 elements in a quadrilateral has. For drawing a quadrilateral, any 5 elements must be given. For constructing quadrilateral, we must have 5 elements out of 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. Just like first question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB na BC, CD 6.4, DA 3.8 and BD 6.6 cm. Here 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. So already 5 elements are given here. So we take any side as a base, just like we take BC as a base. So BC is of length 4 cm. First we draw a rough sketch ABCD. First of all we draw a rough sketch ABCD. BC is taken base, and so here BC is 4 cm, CD is 6.4 cm, AD is 3.8 cm, and AB is 4.4 cm, and diagonal BD is given 6.6 cm. For drawing this quadrilateral, so we will take BC as a base, which is 4 cm. So draw here. BC is base whose length is 4 cm. 4 cm. BC. Now CD is 6.4 cm. CD is 6.4 cm. CD is 6.4 cm. 6.4 cm. So CD is 6.4 cm. We draw an arc. And CD is 6.4 centimeter, and BD is 6.6 centimeter. Diagonal BD is 6.4 centimeter. BD is 6.4. Sorry, here. Line will be here, not here. This is wrong. And BD is 6.6 centimeter. 6.6. BD is 6.6. So 6.4 is 6.4. So this point is D. Join CD and BD. Join CD and BD. Now AD is 3.8 centimeter. AD is 3.8 centimeter. AD is 3.8 centimeter. AD is 3.8 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 3.8 centimeter. And AB is 4.4 centimeter. AB is 4.4 centimeter. AB is 4.4 centimeter. And this point is A. Join AB and AD. Join this point is A, AB and AD. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now next question is construction of a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Here this construction is 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Now 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD when AB 3 cm, CD 3 cm, DA 7.5, AC 8 cm and BD 4 cm. First we draw a rough sketch ABCD. ABCD. AB is 3 cm. CD is 3 cm. AD is 7.5 cm. And diagonal AC is 8 cm. And BD is 4 cm. So here we take AD as a base of length 7.5 centimeter. To 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Now AB is 3 centimeter. So this one is AD. Now AB is so just our figure is this type. So AB is 4 centimeter. So this is DA. This is DA. And AB is 3 centimeter. AB is 3 centimeter. AB is, so draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter. And DC is 3 centimeter also. DC is 3 centimeter also. DC is 3 centimeter also. And to DC and AC is 8 centimeter. Draw a radius of length 8 centimeter, which is AC. AC is 8 centimeter, where both arc intersect called point C and join CD and AD. Now BD is so AB is 3 centimeter. BD is given 4 centimeter only. BD is 4 centimeter. So AD is 3 centimeter. AD is 3 centimeter. AD is BD is here 6 centimeter, not 4 centimeter. BD is 6 centimeter. So we draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter and which intersect previous arc at a point which is B, and then join BC and BC, AB and BD. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now next question based on construction of a quadrilateral when its 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Its 4 sides and 1 angle are given. The question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to BC 3 centimeter, AD is equal to CD 5 centimeter and angle B 120 degree. So first we draw, we will take BC as a base of length 3 centimeter. So here BD as a base of length 3 centimeter. BC as a base and AB also be equal to 3 centimeter. First we draw angle 120 degree at point B. First we draw an angle 120 degree at point B This one is BC, 120 degree to 60 and next 60 and join to B and produced to X. Now BD is 3 centimeter, so along BX cut off BD is equal to 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Now AD is equal to 5 centimeter. AD is equal to CD. So we take an arc of radius 5 centimeter, which is AD and CD also. So with C as a center and a radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc, and with A as a center and draw a radius of a length of 5 centimeter, which cuts the previous arc at a point which is D, and then join AD and CD. This is the required quadrilateral. CD and AD. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. CD is 5 centimeter and AD is 5 centimeter and angle B is 120 degree. Next question is, construct a quadrilateral when its 3 sides and their included angles are given. 3 sides and 2 angles are given. So first we draw a rough construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which, so first we draw a quadrilateral rough sketch PQRS. PQ is 3.5 centimeter, QR is equal to 2.5 centimeter, RS is equal to 4.1 centimeter, angle Q is 75 degree and angle R is 120 degree. It means we have to take here QR as a base because angle Q and angle R both are given. So taking QR as a base whose length is 2.5 centimeter. So first taking QR as a base of length 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. QR as a base of length 2.5 centimeter. Now at point Q making angle of 75 degree. So 75 degree means 60 plus 15 degree. First we draw an arc of any radius. So this is 60 degree. 70 for constructing 75 degree. We take another arc and bisect it. Bisect another 60. So this one is, and taking a point on arc. This length of arc shows the angle of 90 degree, but we have to construct an angle of 75 degree. So 60 plus 15. So this one is arc of 30 degree. So we bisect it. Now this is, then this length is angle of 75 degree and produced it. Now this is PQ, and so taking length 3.5 centimeter along this line segment, and this is QP 3.5 centimeter. Now RS is 4 centimeter. QR is angle of 120 degree. We draw, making another angle of 120 degree at point R. (60), another 60, and this is angle of 120 degree. Join and produced along this line segment, because RS is 4.1 centimeter, so cut off a set of 4.1 centimeter along this line segment. This is S and join PS. Thus PQRS is the required quadrilateral whose all four sides 4.1 centimeter and 3.5 and 120 degree and 75 degree. This is now question is construction of a quadrilateral when its three angles and their two included sides are given. Just like construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB 5.5 centimeter, BC 3.7 centimeter, A 60 degree, B 105 degree, D 90 degree. First we will draw a rough sketch. ABCD, in which AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 3.7 centimeter, angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 105 degree, angle C is not known, angle D is 90 degree. So here two angles are given. If it is necessary, so we find then angle fourth angle, which is C, which is equal to 360 degree minus sum of these three angles. But here AB is given and A and B angle both are given. So we draw a flat quadrilateral. First we take base AB as taking base as AB of length 5.5 centimeter. So first we draw base of length 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Making angle AB 5.5 centimeter. Making angle 60 degree at point A. And join and produced. Join and produced. At point B, making angle of 105 degree. 105 means 90 plus 15 degree. 90 plus 15 degree. So first we will draw the angle of 90 degree. For this we have we will take the arc of degrees 120 and bisect another 60s arc of angle another 60. So this point shows the arc of 90 degree, but we have to draw an angle of 105 degree. So 90 plus 30 120. So we bisect this arc. Now it is bisected and each part shows here angle of 15 degree to 90 plus 15 105 degree and produced it. Now BC is 3.7 centimeter. BC is 3.7 centimeter. BC is 3.7 centimeter. BC is 3.7 centimeter. This one is C. Now here given angle D is 90 degree. Angle D is 90 degree, but AD is not given here. So we have to find here angle C. So angle C is equal to 360 degree minus sum of these three, because we know that sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 165 and 255 degree means also be 105 degree. So angle C also be the angle of 105 degree. So at point C, making the angle of 105 degree, 60, another 60, bisect another arc of angle 60 degree. So this shows the angle of 90 degree, arc of angle 90 degree, and 90 plus 15 105, so bisect the arc of 30 degree, and each part shows here 15 degree, so total angle is 105 degree, and produced it, which intersect this line segment AX at point D, and thus ABCD is a required quadrilateral. AB is 5.5, BC is 3.7 centimeter. This angle is 75 degree, 105 degree, and 105 degree. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रेन. अब आप लोग इसको पेंसिल से बनाओगे. पेन्स हम इसलिए बनाएं कि दिखे, पेंसिल से आपको नहीं दिखता. आप लोग पेंसिल यूज करेंगे जब बनाएंगे. समेटिव 2 का